So hey guys, I'm Aditya Thakur, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the new Geek-I-Knack course by Geeks for free. It is a placement drive, mock interview type course which would help you with your upcoming interview. So like a few other Geeks course, although this is listed as free but isn't available without an invitation code, and in this video I just have that for you, the invitation code to unlock your free Geeks course. So let's get started. Before I go into how you can unlock this course with an invitation code, let me just quickly tell you what this is. Basically, it's more of an event than a course. It will be a 3-day event starting from March 5 up to March 7, where you will have 3-day packed full on-campus placement procedure type thing, where on the first day you will have a coding round, and the people who will clear this coding round will head over to a technical interview round where you will be interviewed by people from different companies, like from Flipkart, SDs from Adobe, SDs from Microsoft, etc. Then we would have our day 3, which would be an HR interview round to see if you are um, eligible for the company. And this will all be a mock placement drive, so you will get all the experience of an actual placement drive, and I believe it would be a great experience for everyone, not only final year students as listed here. It would be a good practice for third year students, I believe, and the second year students too can try it out. And so how do you get this course? Basically, I have it unlocked on my original ID. Let's get over to my other ID. First of all, I will link the course in the description, so you can copy the link, paste it in your browser, and you will directly head over to the course page. Here you can go over to sign up now, and this will show you the register for batch of Geek-I-Knack. You will have to put in your registered email, the one which you have logged in with, and then you can select if you are a student. You can give in your mobile number, enter your college name, the graduation year, and your territory. So for the invitation code now, I have it copied up here. I will also include it in the description. You simply have to copy it, or you can type it out. It's GFG for E7VZJ. So that's the invitation code, and you can go ahead and click on register. And that's it. This should unlock this free course for you, and you have registered for this course. Then the event will start on 5th March, 5 p.m. We'll have the opening ceremony. We have Sandeep sir, founder of Geeks as our chief guest. We'll have a small roadmap to fan thing, where an SD will guide you to how you can get started with it. Then a coding round, which once you clear it, again, you'll go to the technical interview round, then the HR interview round, and I believe it would all be a great learning experience. So yeah, that's it. And thank you for joining in. Thank you for watching.